May I send a message to you? I see you come on social media and I don't know you and you don't know me. You see one little clippings out there with me and my baby father. And you know, so the kids is at CPS. And your ending result is to come on the internet and say, oh, they must not get back their kids because them too toxic. Aunty Donna, old time people used to say, if you don't have good for say, no say nothing. If you don't have good for say, no say nothing. Stick up in. You have child that come from broken homes, become doctors, lawyers, nurse, and engineer in the world. I have child that come from good family background, rich people background. They don't have sister center right now, on the sidewalk, mad out. That a one pin me go stick another pin. Stop mix the internet with real life. Stop make the internet with real life. You see the internet sell story, controversy, rumors, all type of something. This is the devil's playground. And for a big woman with kids and grandkids, the least you could have come and say is that Rosealee and Jake need to sort out their differences. When they get back their kids, they need to come to a conclusion how to parent. Since that we can see that they're not getting along well or they're not together, they need to work on that. When them get back them pinning them figure out what them are gonna do. It's either the kids are gonna there so during the week, or the kids are gonna there so on the weekend because them not together. We never say that. Pray that we get back our kids. Pray that we sort out our differences. And pray that we'll become a better parent. Stop judge. Stop mix the internet with real life. Because Aunty Donna, if I was mixing the internet with real life, you do charity something. You do charity funding. I mean, know charity people normally walk around and look for the poor and needy, the sick, the handicapped, beg for them, and teeth out tight, and the things them, beg for them, scrape out of it, reach out of it, and the things them. So if I was mixing the internet with real life, I would say on the internet, Donna, you look like a con artist. But I don't know you, so I can't judge. That's what I see on the internet about you. I see he's a con artist on the internet, Aunty Donna. That's what they me. When I walk around, I use people weakness and beg for them and teeth out tight. That's what me think. So me I use when I sip on the net, but I don't know in a real life in Aunty Donna. That's why I sip on the net. And I can't judge of what I can't judge you after when I see on the net. I don't know in a real life. So I just make it stay. It is my opinion about you. I, Rosealee, don't mix internet with real life. When I'm on the internet, I am at work. And when I'm on outside of the net, I want total different Rosealee. Total different Rosealee. So you don't know me, don't judge me. I have never beaten my kids, putting the bruises on them, putting the scars on them. I fed them, send them to school. I'm a mother. Not a mama, a mother that makes sacrifice for them. And then you know I'm still on the net, even though they dragged me, fling me, dust me, do me the things them, because what? I call this my workplace to make bread for my kids. Stick another soft pin. When the police them they come in my house, come video me naked and put over social media, I know I get no justice from nowhere. What was your thoughts? How comes I never seen a video about you? Oh, Because she's on the internet and she's big and she's dirty and she's nasty. I wanna classify me as a big dump. Stop judge me. You don't know me from nowhere and I don't know you. Pray for me. Pray for long life, success, that I get back my kids and do the right thing. We all make mistakes. We all do make mistakes. And when I'm on the net, I'm acting. And when I'm in real life, it's two different persons. Don't mix the internet with real life. We never know Sammy and Jake's planet. For create the one shit I can say gift and views and the things them. I don't know what's wrong with someone on the internet. When you feel like Sammy and Jake's planet for views and hype on the net. We don't feel plan the planet. We don't think so. Stop mix the internet with real life. And that don't always use and judge people. Because I don't know them in person and use one character, one person when they put on for the net like a show and judge them. Learn to know people before you talk. Because I could have come here on the net and talk what I say about you. But I don't, because I don't know you. And I'm not like that. I'm not that person. Pray for me, Aunty Donna, for long life and success. That I get back my kids. Pray for me, Mama. I rest.